How to do text to speech on Capcut. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Quick Guide. Today in this tutorial video I will teach you guys how you can do text to speech on Capcut. So let's get right into the video. Firstly, before starting the video, make sure that your Capcut application is up to date. Once you do that, now open your Capcut application. Once you open your Capcut application, here you will see all the projects that I have initially edited. Select any one of the video. Now once you select your video, you will be directed to this page. Here at the bottom of the screen, you can see different options in the toolbar. There at the third, you will see the option of text. Click on it. Again, click on Add Text button. Now enter the text you want. Click on any empty area of the video and tap on that tick mark option. Once you do that, now here at the bottom of the screen you can again see different options on the toolbar. Now beside the delete option, here you will see the option of text to speech. Click on it. Wait for some second and here you will see different voice of the male and female as well as anime character, meme song, English and different options. Can select any one of the voice from the list. For example, I will select that American man option. Once you do that, your text is easily translated to speech in that voice. So that's all for the video. In this way, you can do the text to speech on Capcut. I hope this video helped you. Don't forget to drop a like and subscribe to my channel. We'll see you on next video. Till then, stay tuned. Bye bye.